This is such an interesting question. Sabi niya, why did I choose to become an EA? Operations manager naman na daw ako. Bakit hindi ako nag-apply sa direct client with an OM position? Actually, mayroon akong a few offers for an operations manager position. But yung pinakaunang offer ko was for an EA position. And then, what's this? Tinitingnan ko yung job description ng both anong gagawin ko as an EA and then anong gagawin ko dito sa mga operations manager position na yon. And then during this time also, kasi this was the time na nag-render na ako sa Athena. So I really had to like rack my brain as to where do I want to see myself in 3 years or 5 years. I am turning 40 next year. So I'm not getting any younger. I want to be able to retire by the age of 50 or 55. So I want to make sure that whatever it is na decision na gagawin ko right now with this big change in my life, kasi I always thought na sa Athena na ako magre-retire. I'm like, what do I really want to do? Okay, so yun yung lagi kong iniisip. Like, every day, every day, every day, before I really made a decision na dito na ako pupunta or dito na ako magsa-start. Sabi ko, I want to be able to reach the age of 50 or 55. Take note, this is going to be quite a long video. I want to be able to explain this correctly so that malay mo, ma-inspire ko din kayo, di ba? So, sabi ko, I want to be able to, by the time that I retire, I want to have an income na passive income na lang talaga siya. Or I want to be doing something that would really take up very little of my time, but would earn me a lot of money. And I can save up a lot of money and then at the same time travel. Kasi travel is the ultimate luxury. So, sabi ko, what do I really want to do? I'm re-recording this kasi naputol yung almost 6-minute na video na ginawa ko. May napindot ako. Ay, nako. So, anyway. So yeah, ultimate luxury is to travel. So, I want to be able to have, so anyway, so iniisip ko noon na parang, um, if I become an operations manager, ang dami kong gagawin. Madami akong responsibilities. And, ang tawag yun, hindi ko magagawa yung content creation as much as I want to. That's because, alam mo yun, yung responsibilities kasi ng OM is very different. You're handling a group of people and then you're handling the business side of things and all of those. So parang hindi ko magagawa yung content creation. So, if naging executive assistant naman ako, I will be able to focus on just one client. Siya lang yung aasikasuhin ko. Wala akong ibang iisipin na ibang tao or maraming tao that relies on me. So, I will be able to focus on that client. And then the remaining time that I have, I can focus on creating content. And then, you know what, guys? Nung time na operations manager ako for 8 months, ang dami kong na-miss na upskilling for being an executive assistant. Alam mo ba yung 8 months na yon? That was the time that a lot of EAs was starting to learn and excel in automation. Huling-huli na ako. Ngayon ko palang dinidiscover kung paano ba gamitin yung ClickUp, yung Airtable, yung Monday.com because I was focused on other things. My EAs before, they learn na how to do ClickUp and all. Ako hindi. Hindi ko magawang mag-upskill because I didn't have the time to do so. And the reason why I didn't have time, kasi iba yung priorities ko. And I didn't need to learn those things. But as an executive assistant, you have to learn most of those things because you're going to help your client in their business and whatever. Yung priorities ko was very different as an operations manager to being an executive assistant. That's why sabi ko, if I want to continue creating content, become an edu-creator, and I want my plan in the future, yung retirement plan ko, for me to be able to be a public speaker and just travel all over the world, be invited all over the world, hindi ko yun magagawa or hindi magiging valuable yung information ko if hindi ako maging EA. Okay? Um, so kaya yun. Kaya that's why I decided to continue becoming an executive assistant. I hope that made sense, no? I want to continue creating content kasi yung business, yung pagke-create ng content, pagke-create ng online course na really maganda. It can be one big online course, yung online course ko ngayon na I'll keep updating and updating, or I'll create other courses. That's really something that will give me passive income that will help me retire in the future. So, alam mo yon, that's something na talagang I want to pursue because it's valuable. A lot of people have already given me feedback that my course have helped them, my content have helped them. So I really want to be what's this? An educator to help others. And then kasi ang pagiging isang executive assistant hindi lang naman virtual, eh. May mga executive assistant na in person din. So all of the things that I am learning as a virtual assistant, I can also pass on to those EAs na in-person EAs. So yon, yun yung gusto kong i-build. Yun yung aking what's this? Retirement plan. And that's I will not be able to do that if I pursue an operations manager position. I want to focus on becoming an EA so that I will learn everything that an EA needs to learn. At saka, may growth din naman sa position na yun eh. May growth din sa pagiging isang executive assistant in terms of upskilling yourself, in terms of yung increase sa salary mo. So, hindi ka naman parang forever na lang ganito yung salary mo. So, syempre yung contract mo would definitely tell your client that you need to have increase on a yearly basis. And then yun, kaya yun, because I was really thinking ahead. I'm like I mentioned, I'm no longer this is my last year in my 30s. Next year, 40 years old na ako. I want to be able to retire by the time I'm 50 or 55. And yeah, I wouldn't be able to plan or create my retirement plan if I continue being an OM. That's why focus ako sa pagiging executive assistant. I hope that makes sense. If you want to learn more about siguro about life? Hala, yung mga ganyang thinking, na parang especially if you are similar to my age, nasa late 30s ka na and you want to really see where you want to see yourself, reach out to me, comment whatever it is questions you have. And if you want to learn more about freelancing or being an executive assistant, looking for your direct client, or even to become a content creator, or you want to learn how to create your own course, let me know. Kasi creating courses, especially if you have that knowledge na other people would really be asking help from you, why not create a course? Just comment it down below if you want to learn more about it. So yeah, I hope you learned something. Follow me if you want to learn more. Join my community and my free learning center for other more information. Thank you.